Here we have the hot blonde, blue-eyed car of the car world here. It's a 61, I believe. Yeah, 61 Corvette, blue on blue. White scallop interior, white scallop on inside here. Wide white walls. You know, the rims are painted with the body color. It's a beautiful car, man. And I always like how they put the mirror up on the dash on these. You know, back when 63 came out, I used to like the 63s, but then I started liking 61s and 62s. I don't know why, because it's weird how it turns around like that. She's a curvy beauty, that's for sure. See what they did in 63, they got rid of the trunk lid, and then they put the filler over there. So if you had to put something in the back of the car, you had to go through the door there and put it that way. It's like you could drive these cars a lot better, you know.